Hey, my name is Dan. I used to work at the biggest dealership in the country, and now I teach fine folks like you how not to get fucked when buying a car. Now in this video, I kind of want to have some fun. Today's Sunday, so I decided to make a really kind of fun video for me. It's not really any useful. There's no, money saving tips or nothing like that. You can watch all those videos, all the money saving tips, just in my channel. There's hundreds of videos. But check this out. I want to talk about Tesla and how to start a car company. I kind of got into thinking, man, I wish I had my own car company. How would I go about starting my own car company? And then I realized, you know what, there's actually a car company that was started not too long ago, and I can just follow their steps. So step number one would be borrow $465 million from the government. Hey, can I borrow $465 million from you guys for a little bit? Yeah, thank you, appreciate it. Thank you. See, and that's step number one complete. I have $465 million in my pocket, and now I can actually do a little bit of car building and start making some money. Step number two, you also have to get $3 billion, as Tesla did, in government subsidies and tax incentives. So that's it. It's very simple. Only $3 billion. In fact, Tesla will have over $5 billion in next 10 years just in subsidies and tax incentive. But here's the cool part. Tesla is 10 years old already, right? They haven't made profit yet. That's the best part. The company is valued at like $20 billion or something ridiculous. And they are borrowing money from everyone they can possibly think of. They're taking every single government incentive they can possibly think of. They're on every single subsidy from government that you can possibly think of. I mean, they are on government's tit like a 2-year-old. I mean, really, are 2-year-olds still on the tit? No, I don't know. But like, they're sucking on government's money, which is really our money, taxpayers' money. Government doesn't have money. So Tesla is borrowing, we'll call that borrowing, or getting incentives left and right. But we're not done just yet. To help consumers buy Tesla's cars and my cars, I'll probably be doing that. I'll make sure to start a car company. I'll have to get the government to pay $7,500 for each car that I sell. Kind of cool. So whenever somebody else is buying Tesla, $7,500 of that is your money, is your tax-paying money. Did you pay taxes this year? You did? Congratulations. $7,500 of that went to that person so he could buy a Tesla. You're welcome. You're welcome. I'm sure you're enjoying good use of your money. But wait, there is more. Tesla actually bought Solar City, and now it's called Tesla Energy, and 30% of the money that they're gonna make is gonna come from your pocket for government incentives, government subsidies. So they're gonna pay 30% of someone's solar panels on their roofs from your pocket. So if somebody wants to buy $30,000 of solar panels, that seems like a lot of money, but we want to go green. We want to save those polar bears. $30,000, 30% of that is $10,000. So whenever you see solar panels on someone's roof, $10,000 of that, 10% of that is yours. I'm sure you're enjoying that good use of your money. But wait, there is more. You can take shit ton of money from the government, all sorts of good tax incentive and subsidies, and after you take your company public, take all the investors' money. You can take your company private and keep all the goodies in your pocket. That's the best way to open a car company. And that's why when Tesla gets a lot of hate, I can kind of understand why. Because they're cunts. I can't think of any other word. They're taking government money, which is your money. They're taking our money to build their company. Elon Musk is building his company on government money. That's it. And he hasn't turned a fucking profit in 10 years. I mean, he's worse than Ford, Chevy. I mean, is he gonna start making money anytime soon, ever, at all? And all the payouts that stockholders get, all the people that invest in stocks, that's only because he's getting more money. He's taking money from this bucket, putting it into this bucket, paying it out, and seems like he's profitable. No, this money here is not profit. It's just other people's money. It's like a fucking pyramid scheme. The coolest part is that shit is legal. So you know what? Maybe we should just start a company. I think it was just my rant. I was just a little pissed off about fucking Tesla's bullshit that's going on, and I just made a little rant video. And you probably wanted to hear it. You know what? You probably had nothing else to do. No other good things you could have done with your day. You had to listen to me and to this bullshit useless rant. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up below and click the subscribe button over my head, or watch one of those two videos if you want to see more money saving tips about cars. This is Dan with 60 Minute Car. I'm signing out, and I'll see you on the internet.